Welcome to probability of compound events and area probability. So a compound event is when we want more than one thing to happen. Okay, so an example, what is the probability of rolling a 3 and then a 5 on a dice? Well, a 3, one side out of the 6 sides is a 3, and one side out of the 6 sides is a 5. We multiply those together and we get 1 out of 36 will be a 3 and then a 5. Remember, this is theoretical probability. This is an independent event. The outcome of one does not affect the outcome of the other event. Okay? So what is the probability of getting 2 heads in a row? This is also independent. Well, first, I could get a tails or a heads. Okay? Then on my second flip, I can again get a tail or a heads. So I can either get a tail, 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 heads, heads, tails, or heads, heads. Well, we're wanting 2 heads in a row. If we look at our list, our sample space, only one of them is heads, heads. And there are 4 things in our sample space. So that is a 1/4 chance. You can also look at it as 1/2 of the first flip, 1/2 of the second flip. 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. All right? So area probability, okay? It works the same way as regular probability, but this time we're talking about the area. So remember, it's what you want out of all possible outcomes, okay? So in that case, it's the area you want over the total area, okay? So the circle. If we have a diameter of 6, then that means our radius is 3, okay? So the area of a circle is pi r squared, okay? Pi, we round to 3.14 times the radius 3 squared, which gives us 28.26. Now the area of a rectangle or square. The area is side squared or side times side. So that's 6 times 6, which is 36. Now all we have to do is find the shaded area, which is the square minus the circle. So 36 minus 28.26, and we get 7.74, okay? So it's what we want, the 7.74 over the total area, which is the 36. Okay. We have one more thing. We've done independent. dependent, when the outcome of one event affects the outcome of the second event. So what is the probability of drawing a green then a red? This is without replacement, okay? Well, first of all, the probability of drawing a green, there are 2 greens out of 5 total. Now, if I've drawn a green out of the bag, it goes away. Now, what is the probability of drawing a red? Well, there are 2 reds out of 4 marbles in the bag. We multiply them together. Which simplifies to 1/5.